Hello and welcome back to Yoga Fit with Ed and Ross. Today we will learn how to fix uneven lip corners. Due to asymmetric face value, some of us get uneven lip corners. To get rid of uneven lips, we will work on subangularis muscle, the depressor of corners of the mouth, sublabial muscle, repressor of lower lip, the orbicularis oculi orbital muscle around your lips, and zygomatic muscle above lip corners. So to start with, hold both ends of the lips to relieve the weight of the cheek flesh. Say he and hold for 10 seconds. We will do 2 sets of this. Now do O, hold for 10 seconds. Again, repeat it. Now do U, you need to let every muscle to be involved here. Repeat. Now massage the end of your lips for 10 to 15 seconds. Now move up to the cheeks. Now move more upwards. Now move your tongue up to the roof of your mouth. Firmly place it just beyond your teeth against the roof of your mouth. This will help you overcome any muscle imbalances that lead to unevenness in the face. Now we will work on our masseter muscle. Poke your thumb right on your cheekbones. Stretch your mandible downwards, that's your lower jaw. Do it for 10 to 15 seconds. Next is lateral stretch. Press gently on either side of your jaw. See which side is more tight. You will feel the tension of whichever side is more tight. Give a firm pressure to each side of your jaw, pushing it in the opposite direction for 10 to 15 seconds. Whichever side is tighter, you will feel more tension. Do 2 more sets on that side. So the tightest side of the jaw will be 3 sets in total. 10 to 15 seconds of each set. Do all this exercise twice a day. Side to side palate. Move your jaw from one side to other like this. Do not overdo any movement which may in turn cause injury. So be careful while doing any movement. Do it more frequently than doing it once in a blue and overextending, thinking it will lead to faster result. No, it won't. Keep pampering yourself, and I'll see you soon.